just now. Just grab my iPad and sit on my
Alright,
office
it has
chair.
started. I'm gonna share the link. Gonna send it in a video announcements.
I like how there's more people in here than subscribers on your YouTube
Yep.
channel.
We have less people here than Twitter followers. I have 800 Twitter followers roughly.
Wait, how many members are there now?
700 and something. Alright, so I'm gonna send in the link and video announcements. Let's see if this is working. Let me do that. Okay, so pretty soon people are gonna start coming in. Let me check.
Norma. All right, here we go.
Oh yeah, I forgot to
Time
share my
for the
screen for you all.
okay.
Just so you all can see what I'm looking
Wait.
at on
They,
stream.
hold on. I found a weird thing.
What?
Hold on. What? Look at this. Hold on. I'm making it right now. Hold on.
I got him unmuted. Alright, should get our first viewer in a moment. Let me do this. There we go, now this is in here. Okay, great, that's not working. I know the stream's not private. There we go. Okay, there's our first viewer. Alright, so as
Yay!
from the title, we're
Welcome,
tracking two
whoever you are.
major systems. One is Hurricane Norma, which is approaching the Baja California Peninsula, the southern tip at least. It's pretty clear it's going to make a landfall. It's going to strike roughly anywhere in this area. There is still a chance it wobbles, goes to the east or south of it, but that's pretty unlikely now. We're confident it's going to strike land somewhere in Baja California. And then afterwards, it's going to approach the mainland Mexico, so this thing will make a landfall eventually. Whether it be on Mexico entirely and just dodge Baja California. But it's likely going to be making two landfalls. The first one on the southern Baja California peninsula, and then it's going to go towards Mexico and strike that area as a weaker system, but still. One of the main problems with this is how large it is and how much it's going to stall for. So here, if I write, oh, hold on, if I draw a circle around the main rain rates and Norma, if I move this along the dots and stuff, you'll notice how it's still covering Baja California in like 36 hours and stuff. So it is going to be a big rain
Yeah,
year
it's
for the
gonna
area.
drop it's gonna drop loads of rain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, Tammy is trying to get its act together, but it's just having
Yeah,
trouble,
it's just
which
wind
is a good
shear.
thing.
The
Yeah,
southern side of the storm is very
yeah.
disorganized right now.
It's trying its best to develop its southern eye wall, but it's just not getting to it. But
Yeah, and
it'll
you
be
can see it on
gradual, but
here.
it's trying
Shear
its
is
best.
blowing its this way right here. So that's why,
Oh
even though the
yeah,
center's right here, there's not a lot of a core in that side compared to the.
and it's like a clump, and then it's like a
Yeah,
clump
it's
on the
trying its best. It's
east
it is
side.
good. It is keeping it in check so it doesn't do too much damage, but it's still a hurricane and
Also,
it's
another thing to keep in
supposed to
mind, though, is it moved
gradually.
very far north than what was expected. It made a sharp northward turn. This is the
Yeah,
intermediate
could
advisory,
be a
so
wobble.
I'm not too sure if it's gonna try and go back. I mean, it might try and do one of these, but it might dodge the islands entirely. That'd be a very
Mm.
good case or a good scenario.
Or it could rapidly intensify. I'm kidding.
No, I don't think it's gonna. Doesn't really have enough
Yeah, the
time
wind
to
shear is
do
going to
that.
keep it in check. Wind shear is going to keep it in check.
Oh, let me pull this up on stream. This will show us the wind shear maps and things like that. It's the conditions it's in. So here's the shear. Should have loaded. I don't know what's happening. Guess that's not gonna work. Okay, something happened. Some things are down. Shear's
Oopsie
not working.
daisies.
Yeah, analysis is not available. That's bad. Right, but yeah, and someone says look at the wave behind it. Let's look at that. This thing right here. I doubt it's gonna form into anything. But we're also looking at this system right here, which is rapidly organizing. There should be well, it's not invested yet, so we can't really get good
Oh,
looks
it
at
has it
it.
at 75 knots.
Yep, Tammy is strengthening. It's up to 85 miles an hour, so Category 2 can be expected, I'd say.
Doesn't look like a 85 miles an hour to me.
Yeah,
Doesn't
well,
look like it at
radar looks
least.
different. I'm trying to get good imagery on that disturbance. An Ascot pass, not good. Yeah, there's nothing that's really showing there, or like there's not a good pass at all on it. Alright, but here, if I go over to Norma, hopefully this thing works. Pull this up on stream. Yeah, but then one of the sad things though is that Cabos and Lucas shut down their radar. Now they always do that whenever there's a
Wow.
hurricane coming.
Wow, they are real. They're really trolling.
Yeah, shear's not available.
Them trollers. Wow.
Wow.
Alright, guess I'll have to just
Yeah,
pull it up
they
on
were
a model
expecting it
run.
to. They were really expecting for it to like weaken really quickly to like a tropical storm before hitting.
Yeah.
And Norma said, "Nuh-uh."
Alright, so here's the wind shear map roughly. You'd see how most of it's blowing to the northeast, which is why the southern side of the storm isn't too good at all right now.
Yeah, it could be worse.
Yeah, it
Wind
could
shear could
definitely be
definitely be
worse.
worse.
It's not favorable. It's not unfavorable. One
Yeah, it
of
looks like it's gonna gradually get more favorable as it moves north, and that's so it might reach 90 miles an hour before it leaves the islands.
yeah,
So it'll be a strong Category
one
1.
of the main problems
Uh,
though is will this impact land, or like the United
if it
States?
no,
Well,
maybe
here's the main
Bermuda,
thing
but
about it. Okay, it is gonna. All right, so let me find a good way on explaining this. So the cold front here is gonna try and bend around it. Okay, and okay, no, green on green doesn't work.
okay.
We do red. Yeah, so now I'll do blue. Okay, or the cold fronts. So here it is right here, and you can see the low. What the cold front's gonna do is it's gonna try and bend away from it, so it lets it go to the. You'll see it right there. How the storm occludes, which means it's. I believe that's when it starts trying to turn post-tropical almost. But as in that it just makes a jog to the west, right towards Bermuda. and then we don't know what's going to happen with it after that. We don't even know if it's going to make that jog, is this is the 5 day
Uh,
period, and right afterwards it makes the jog. So we don't know what it's going to try and do.
yeah, a lot of uncertainty here.
And zombies have significantly trended towards that. So if I pull it up on here, you'll see that's turned towards Bermuda. Is very, very apparent.
Yeah, but then it just like goes back.
Yeah, I mean, some zombies still take
It's
it up
doing a
here,
zigzag line.
and then we'll ride the cold fronts along to the north.
The storm has scoliosis.
What?
We got two
All right,
viewers. Let's go.
why do they have
Welcome.
up to 12
News
inches of
and
rain with Tammy?
politics.
Let me see what they mean by that.
Good news, everyone.
12 inches
Tammy's
of
a
rain with
Republican.
Tammy. Let me check.
Yeah, Tammy's going to be moving somewhat slower than average, so it's
They
gonna
have
be
some areas of 4 to 6
affecting.
inches of rain. The thing is, it's a
Yeah, but
lopsided system.
that's like Puerto Rico.
If you look on here, it's all the way mainly to the east of the islands, and that's gonna be continuing. If I go over to rainfall accumulation, you'll notice how, even though the center, this model run has mainly the center going in this kind of path, it's going to be very lopsided. And then it gets its act together out here. So yeah, the island shouldn't get that many impacts from it, but the one main area is going to be
that's the
Norma.
real impact right there.
Yes, it's going to be stalling.
Oh,
Could be
God.
upwards of nearly 2 feet of rainfall.
Oh,
Mainly
Lord.
out to sea as well, though. But that's just the Euro model. GFS has it a little bit further north. Icon model, I don't know what they're showing. Oh yeah, icon model showing in here. Because they all believe it's going to stall. I bet here, let me go back to
Yeah, it
Tammy
is
and
gonna
show
stall.
its forecast. So the
I mean, how
GFS
much
has
rain
its
did Hurricane
going
Dorian?
towards Bermuda, and then just, we don't know what it's going to do afterwards.
Yeah.
Euro
Quick
model,
question.
let me pull up
I know this is yeah. Quick question. I
Yep.
know this is unrelated, but how much rain did Hurricane Dorian dump?
I do not know. Alright, so this one, they don't know, like, they think it's going to die out right north of Puerto Rico. I don't think that's
Yeah,
going to happen. Let me pull up
there's
an
a lot of
earlier one.
variability.
No, they're thinking the same thing. Okay. CMC. Oh no, wrong model. CMC has it. Let me load all the frames. There's that cold front we're talking about right over here. This line of storms. Yeah, they think it's gonna do that little occluding. You can see how it moves a lot faster. It's slow and then it moves very fast quickly. This one takes it all the way up to the United Kingdom, which could happen if it rides the cold fronts. But this one shows it getting sucked away by a I forgot what this is called, a
The jet
trough or something.
stream.
Yeah, and then it's what? All right.
I saw like just a short glimpse of Nene, which we will not go over.
Yeah, but this goes over here. Like this one has its a trough, this kind of thing, which spins stuff around it in a counterclockwise motion. This one is just taking it towards the United Kingdom. Let me look at it earlier, though. Oh yeah, one of the main factors for this. Let me go back to the GFS. See the Wait, what's causing it to do this? I do not know. I mean, it's. Oh, I see it now. I see it. Okay, so there's two high pressures here. Okay, there's one right over here. There's one over here. So initially, this high pressure right here spun it this way, and then this high pressure is going to try and spin it that way. But by the time it moves near Bermuda and stuff, the high pressure's already gone. So it'd have to try and turn around and chase it. Or what could happen is this low right up here, if that's no, yeah, basically it doesn't know what to do until another cold front right over here starts pushing it away.
So
Right.
that cold front is that cold front basically just gonna be the country's saving grace?
Yes, there's two of
That's
them. Let me
good.
pull it up on the Weather Prediction Center. Show that fronts. There it is right now. That's the cold fronts. Or no, there's actually another one out. Here, let me pull it up. Ocean Prediction Center thing. Okay, hold on. Go to Atlantic. Yeah, here it is right now. There's the developing storm right over here. These, they're gonna merge, but Hurricane Tammy's down here. You can't really see it. It's because of the stream stuff, but um, let me zoom in a little bit more here. So it's basically off screen, and that storm's gonna be like colliding with this kind of developing cold fronts. So Tammy's trying to go this way, but if the cold front doesn't develop fast enough and you get a little bit of a gap it can go through towards Bermuda. Where's Bermuda on this? Bermuda's right over here. No, right here. Right, so what the storm can do is it's going to try and move here if there's a little bit of a break in the cold fronts. That it can just go right towards a high pressure. Just spin around it. But that's why like half the ensembles have it going towards Bermuda and the other half take it along towards the United Kingdom.
Yeah, it's very divided. About a 50-50 shot.
Yep. All right. So going over to Norma, let me see if there's any models that can, like the HRRR and stuff like that. Or HRRR can see it. Not a good job though. Yeah, they're not able to detect landfall timing. Look at something like the NAM 3 kilometer, I guess. Yeah. These are somewhat good models in determining landfall timing and stuff like that, hour by hour.
I mean, landfall for what?
Norma.
Oh.
Like the
Oh yeah,
storms
I
and
thought you were
stuff.
focusing on that thing going into Maine.
No. I'm talking about this right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
For this, it shows it making landfall on October
Yeah, you can
23rd,
see how
which is in
slowly
two
it's moving
days.
too.
On Monday, this is gonna be early Monday. Yeah, but you can see how much it starts weakening and stuff. It shows it briefly strengthening, but then weakening. I doubt it though that it's gonna strengthen there. HRRR we can't see. FV3 high res. This is something we can see. They think
Yeah,
it's going to
they're
be
all
making landfall
like
today
that.
at
There's like a
around 2
line
to
there
3
where it just
p.m.
can't load that data.
And then they're going to make it making landfall tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Fun.
Right, WRF. They have been making landfall at around 7 p.m. tonight, and then making landfall at around 5 p.m. tomorrow.
Fun.
And
Oh,
the RGEM model run, this one doesn't show that region, sadly. Okay. Right. Yeah, but also there's a big system on the northeast. It's, I believe, trying to become a nor'easter.
Yeah, it's not that time of year yet.
Yep. All right. Let me look at
Give
the
about a month.
rainfall potential
yeah.
from Norma. Where is it?
You just appeared to say yeah, and then proceed to mute yourself again.
No, I'm actually not muted.
Oh.
Here we go. There's over a foot of rain is possible in
Yeah.
Mexico.
Oh yeah,
Right there, and you
that's
can see
pretty
it on the
bad.
mountainous terrains over here. Let me make sure it's
Yeah, that's
barely
gonna be
being
a
shown on
big.
here.
That's gonna be a big flooding
Yeah.
situation.
Yeah, and that's gonna be yeah, it's. Wait, hold on. Let me see what they said. Hi, I'm Carlos. Okay. Is
I
it
think Hurricane
possible
Norma still
Tammy could pull a Florence like in 2018?
maybe.
Florence. I mean, I don't know. It could hit South Carolina. There's just a lot of factors that go into this.
Yeah,
There's
it's far out.
the thing is, it's looking like
Yeah.
there's a 50-50 shot it's going to go towards Bermuda, kind of like
If it
Florence.
does go towards if it does go towards Bermuda, then maybe. But there's also a lot of variability
Yeah,
too. Like it
because
could
the
go
thing is,
head up right.
this is too far out. where we don't know if
Yeah,
this next cold front's going to develop or not. Is this actually going to
exactly.
be a
Like
thing by the time? Because
yeah,
if it is, that's going to be pushing the storm away, as you'll see here. It pushes it to the east and kills it. If it doesn't, the
yeah,
system's going to be going towards lands, but I don't think it's going to be strong. Obviously, maybe just a tropical storm.
yeah. There's a lot of factors that go into it. Like if that cold front doesn't exist, there's still like the jet stream. There's so many factors that could push it north, maybe
Mm-hmm.
or just not. Like it's hard to tell.
Yeah. We'll know better in our next stream on like Tuesday for Cyclone Tej. We'll know a lot
Yeah,
more about where the system's going.
yeah. Ted's just gonna be pretty serious for Oman and Yemen.
Alright, so here is. Let
Yeah,
me pull up an earlier run on the HRRR. And they're showing the foot of rain in this area, but mainly out to
there's
sea, thankfully.
gonna be a huge flooding risk.
Yep, here's the FV3 high res showing over a foot of rain dumped on Cabos and Lucas. Oh, I forgot we have
Yeah,
cameras in the area that I want to show.
yeah. How's it look over there? Let's see.
Here's Cabos and Lucas right now. Let me pull up this. Oh, hopefully it didn't go out.
Like with Lydia, with the
Yeah,
live
Lydia's
cam with
camera went
Lydia.
out when we were doing that. Oh, look at the
Ooh,
winds.
that's nice.
Oh
Not
yeah.
it's not even close to getting the worst of it either. You think Eyewall's gonna go over Cabo San Lucas?
Let me see where Cabos and Lucas is.
Go in the middle. Yeah,
No, it's right on
not
the
the middle.
southern tip.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
never mind.
See, so
So where do
Cabos
you
and
think?
Lucas, it's going to be likely going just to the north of it, so they're going to be getting the worst storm surge, okay? So,
Ooh,
this
all
is
right.
how the
So this
storm
will.
surge works with these systems. As the low pressure is right here, it's going to be spinning
Yeah,
around in a counterclockwise
yeah.
motion. So that means that
That's
the
that's the
land here,
direction.
let me pull this
Yeah,
up. Right, so when it's a stronger like a hurricane and stuff, what it's doing is it's push or like pulling water from this area, so there's not much storm surge in this area. But on the eastern or northern side of storms, it's going to be pushing storm surge on land in this area, like pushing the water over
yeah.
land. So Cabos and Lucas could get some very serious storm surge. I know that the National Hurricane
How
Center
bad do
is
you
talking
think
about
the
that.
the storm surge is gonna be?
Um, maybe at least half a foot, like six, or wait, no, I mean 6 feet, 6 feet or
Yeah.
higher. Let me see where they said it's a dangerous storm surge expected over southern Baja California.
Do they have a storm surge?
They
No,
don't
they
do
don't.
storm surge graphics there.
That's kind of stupid.
hmm
Yeah.
Yeah, and a dangerous southern storm or dangerous storm surge to portions of the southern Baja California peninsula.
Maybe you could search up what the expected storm surge for it is. Like maybe on their full report they
Um,
have it. Oh, like control. Yeah,
oh, 1 to 3
as much
feet.
as
Okay, that's what they're talking about, right? Oh
above
wait, I was
normal
looking at
tide
Tammy. My
level.
bad.
That's what I thought. Normal would be worse than that.
No,
Storm
they're just
surge, a
saying a
dangerous
dangerous
storm
storm
surge.
surge is likely. Right?
Oh, they don't know.
Yep.
Okay, well, so this is gonna be a wild ball. Nobody's gonna know.
Yeah, but I mean, I'd say it's at least 6 feet of storm surge.
I'd
It
say
is.
it's. I know this doesn't make much of a difference, but I'd say it's still a 110 miles an hour storm.
I don't know about that. Let me see when Recon flew in. Recon's going in right now, pretty soon. They're flying from
Well, I guess
Louisiana
that'll decide
or
then.
Mississippi, actually.
Yeah. I mean, you can go to the satellite imagery, and
Well,
I
there's a
know
Recon
basing
flight in
your
Tammy right now, showing it's a
okay,
bit stronger than what they were first assuming. They're getting Category 2, um, Category
Hmm.
2 flight level winds.
Hmm.
And the
It's
pressure's
weird.
down to 993 millibars.
So it's strengthening
I don't know if that's
in the
low level
parts that
reconnaissance,
aren't being
though.
sheared. Well, it's somewhat strengthening in the parts that aren't being sheared.
hmm Mission 9 did show Category 2 right here. Let me zoom in a
Yeah,
lot.
it looks like that. Looks like that category 2 is like it's spread a bit more. At least the flight level
Yeah,
winds are spreading a
that
bit
was
more.
Mission 9, and then Mission 10 is down here, and if I zoom in once again, there's a lot more. Did show it
Oh
weakening
no!
for
Oh
some
wow!
reason, 993 millibars to
996
996.
could be
But
a
yeah, you can see
faulty
right now.
measurement.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably a faulty measurement. Check on the satellite. Not the what's it called? The satellite loop for Norma.
Norma. Okay, here we go. It's almost daytime in the region. I think it is. The sunrise line is here, and this was as of around 30
About
minutes
30
ago.
minutes
So
ago.
yeah,
I mean, go back 10 minutes.
yeah. You can see if I went
Yeah,
back
you see
30
that.
minutes, it'd cover it. Do we
Yeah,
have a mesoscale or a mesosector? Yes, we do.
yeah, we do.
Should start being able to see visible. Yep, right over here. New convective burst in this area on the western side.
Yeah, I'd still say it's a 110-mile-an-hour storm.
But here's the
Winds are getting worse too.
cameras. Like definitely at least tropical storm, sustained winds, getting into that hurricane sustained kind of winds.
I'd give it
Waves
about
all the way over
gale
here.
force.
Let me pull up cameras in a different one, Cabos and Lucas. Keep in mind it's just starting to turn day.
Oh, you can see how many views it got.
Yep. This live stream
Oh,
recording
try
is
the
not
other one.
available.
That should be it.
It's not playing.
Give it a
Doubling
second.
down. Nope.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah. This is kind of the same thing almost.
Yeah, it looks about.
Let me see, there's an area over here northeast. It's a beach camera.
It's a bit north. It's more north though, so I don't know. Yeah, 3.1.
3.1 miles an hour, I doubt that.
Today's peak 11
Hmm.
miles an hour. It might be more. Might be. Oh, I said 2 months ago. Refresh.
Oh,
Just a refresh button.
my god.
Ah, dang it.
Wait, that was 2 months ago?
Yeah, for some
Yeah.
reason.
So, spreading misinformation and thinks it's 3.1. Yeah, that looks like 3.1 miles an hour.
Let me see if there's any cameras in this area. Nope. Yeah, but the Cabos and Lucas is going to be hit hard right now, and they already
Yeah.
are. There isn't any
I
sound,
mean,
but
what?
at least we're getting live imagery on it.
Yeah. What's the worst? What's the worst storm that hit Pappas and Lucas?
Worst hurricane to hit Cabos and Lucas.
I should stop asking questions and just do it myself.
Hurricane Odile, 2014.
I mean,
Hit it
there's
as a
about.
category 2, so.
So this could be the worst one. It's a good testant.
Here what it was hitting Cabos and Lucas.
Yeah.
And one of the major things to see here is that the storm surge wasn't as bad as it's.
Yeah, exactly.
Cabos and Lucas.
It hit dead on, like
Yeah.
a land, like the eye went over it.
Mm-hmm.
But here, the surge is gonna be the one that's gonna be kicking it.
Yep.
So there's more threat to Cabo San Lucas in general.
Let me pull
So
up
Wow.
infrared imagery to see that convective
yeah,
burst.
pull up the infrared.
Alright, it's loading.
Yep. Let's see. You can see it spreading out just before landfall.
There
It's
it is right here.
yeah, it's looking like it's getting its act together again.
Yep.
So I'd say
Here's the camera right around here.
I'm saying, the same thing you used on Tammy to show the rain.
Yeah, that's radar.
I don't know. I don't use windy.com, so I don't know the. Yeah, I don't use windy.com, so I don't know
Hold on,
the
it will
name of
load.
it.
Yeah, this is radar. This
Yeah,
is
just
from.
yeah,
Oh
check
wait,
the
maybe.
radar.
Yeah, it's radar, but that's what I was talking about. Cabos and Lucas. There, they shut down their radar.
Oh
Oh
wow! That's
no.
Sunrise right over here.
I mean, radar somewhere else. Like
Because if they don't, it could just malfunction entirely. Here's the disturbance down.
all of their radar. Like you could check like
Well, there was also a radar
weather.com. You
that's
could check.
supposed to be over here that they shut down now. But yeah,
I
there
mean,
is a
that's not
radar
even
in
going to be hit
Cabos
by
and
the storm.
Lucas.
Like what? Why is there not a radar in like La Paz?
Remember how it costs money, okay? Yeah, here's the Cabos and Lucas radar.
Weird.
hmm
Sucks that they shut it down.
Yeah.
I
Oh, by
mean,
the
yeah,
way,
So
I'll
there's
check.
we'd
like
be able
there's
to
a
see
lot of
the eye
very
hole
like we
better
don't
and
really
stuff.
know. Yeah, we really don't know when it's gonna landfall. Like there's a lot of questioning now.
Yeah.
Hmm.
But
Well, that leaves
yeah.
I don't know.
So the storm surge is definitely going to be a large threat for the area. Oh wait, someone said CQ said I'm in Cabo right now, or it's crazy winds. Let me ask them. Do you have Discord?
Get over here. We need to talk to you.
Thank God it didn't end. The stream is definitely lagging. I think. Yes, it is lagging a lot.
That's fun.
I don't know what's happening to it.
I got
Yeah, your audio is kind of lagging just a bit. Not too bad, but just a bit.
Are you
yeah,
watching
your
the
audio
stream?
is a
Can
little
you check
laggy.
how laggy it is?
That's that's the benefit of having yeah, you were getting a lot of viewers too. You had almost like 10
Yeah,
and
but
then
can
the
you
lag
check
hit.
the live stream? Can you, one of you, watch it and tell me if it's does it sound laggy?
Uh, it's looking like it's frozen.
It's not frozen for me.
Oh,
Look on here.
The stream is definitely lagging, I think.
oh yeah, it's wait. Oh, -47.
It's not
Never
frozen
mind.
for me.
One. Oh, my stream
Oh,
is.
yep, there we go. It's fine.
All right,
Seems
so
fine.
it's
I think I
fine.
might have
Not
accidentally like had a pause or something like that.
okay. Was the last time La Paz had a significant rainfall event from a tropical cyclone? Let me look that up.
Probably Odile.
That's
Odile.
tropical cyclone. I do not know where La Paz is.
It's just more north.
More north than Baja,
It's
California,
north. No, it's in
or
Baja.
Cabos and Lucas.
Yes, basically.
Wait, no. Oh, wait, no. I was looking at Bolivia. My
That's
bad.
not La Paz.
My bad. There you go, Baja,
Oopsie
California,
daisy.
sure. Alright, yeah, so it's
There
a
we
bit more
go.
north. Yeah, probably Odile there. I don't know, though.
Yeah.
Alright.
Odile hit it dead on. this one's taking a turn and hitting it more
Yeah.
like at a perpendicular angle.
The track for Odile, it looks like it literally just pile drives through Baja and then
Yeah, check the that live camera from that hotel
All
if you
right, let me
still have it
pull this
open.
up. Here it is. You can definitely see how much the trees are swaying. Definitely not a good sign. I mean, it's showing how bad the winds
yeah.
are in the area. So, I mean, that's to be
Yeah,
expected.
yeah, it's looking real. It's looking like that's sustained too. I'd give it about maybe gale force 50 to 50 55 mile an hour sustained, and
Yeah.
I don't even think that's not close to the eye wall either. Like it's we like the worst is definitely yet to come.
Yep. All right. So here, I'm gonna try and figure out where recon is. I have an app that I can kind of track it. So let me look at where the current recon is for Norma. All right. So they're out over the open Atlantic or Gulf of Mexico. I meant. Let's see. Is this them? Yep. I found it. It's okay. I can have a live view on my phone on seeing where they are. So yeah, they left from Gulfport, Mississippi, going at
Yeah, how far are
around
they
like
from?
350 miles an hour or so, flying towards the center.
It won't be there until probably won't be there for like an
An
hour.
hour, yeah.
Well,
Oh, the
better late than never.
I didn't notice the new cone here had it storm on day 7 or day 5. I mean,
Hmm.
You didn't?
nope, did not see that yet.
No, that's. Oh yeah, it is day 5.
Yep, 70 miles an hour
So
there.
what?
I mean, that's a good sign.
It's looking like it
Yeah,
will strengthen to a Category 2 if it's already 85 right now. But afterwards, it should
yeah,
start
I'd say
weakening.
it's 85. Yeah.
Right.
So you think it'd be? When do you think it's going to be? If it is a Category 2, would you say it would be impacting land as a Category 2?
Um, I do not know. Keep in mind, it's going to be, it might try, oh, my bad, one. Oops. Alright, so it might try and do that when it passes lands, like over here, and then it's going to ramp up briefly before starting to weaken. Yeah, so I'd say maybe in this kind of range, it could be a Category 2. I don't think it's going to be a lands threat when it's a Category 2. Also, it's going to be interesting to see the new cone in an hour and 9 minutes to see how far east they're going to shift it. Because keep in mind, it's not going to make
Yeah.
this westward jog, I don't think. I think it might try and do a little bit of a westward curve, but then try and curve back
Yeah.
out. It's more east than where they're predicting it to be.
Yeah, which is a good.
So yeah, that
But at the
means it's
same
further
time,
away
it's
Yeah.
from lands right now.
yeah, but you do know at the same time it won't impact land as much, so it won't disrupt its core as
Well, keep
much.
in mind these
So if
islands
the
aren't going to
shear,
disrupt its core anyways.
I
The
know, but if
islands
the
are too
shear
small.
dies down and it doesn't, true. But I mean,
The land
if
does
the
not
islands are big enough
affect
to
it.
have hundreds of thousands of people on them, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Anyways, so if it just stays over the water and the shear dies down, which some models are polling for that, then it could become a Category 2 sooner than before. And if it takes that turn back later on, then one of those islands, but with a stronger wind speed.
Yeah. All right. Here is
So
Tammy's shear forecast. Pull this up. Model data.
before.
Oh my god, the stream's laggy. Alright, so here's what Tammy's going to be going through. Its shear should be low for a bit. Waiting on this to load, but it's looking like it's going to be, one. Who's that wacko speaking when you aren't? Ugh, he asked too many questions. Bro, who is Sin Mace? I don't know. Alright. Anyways, here is the for like model runs and stuff. This shows, and if you can see on the bottom left, you can see that trend shifting back over to the west now. How the model runs after they curve to the east, they're going to curve to the west again. Try to at least. Something to note though is that shear on on October 25th is going to rapidly increase. So the 25th, that's around
Oh, fun.
let me see, 25th is in 4 days, so around here maybe, I believe. It's gonna start ramping up because it's gonna be trying to turn post-tropical. I believe it might be post-tropical when it makes that westward turn. But yeah, all conditions are deteriorating, but they're still favorable for a post-tropical cyclone. And intensity, though, you can see Category 2 is the main consensus. Here, this little box over here. Oh, I mean, this little grayish box is Category 2. So, majority of the models take it up there. Let's say, I mean, the ones that are above official. And, I mean, I believe that will happen with the storm. Looking like it will try and do that because it's already intensifying right now. Alright, and that's mainly the storm of Tammy. If I go over back and go to Norma, Norma should be a pretty clear thing that it's going to be rapidly weakening. Wait, hold on, there was a microwave pass recently. Let me take a look at this. I don't know how long ago it was. Yeah, take a look at this right here. This was the microwave imagery of the storm throughout its life. Hold on. Anyways, I'm mainly interested in the last one. You can see how the northern eye wall is the strongest part of it.
Yeah.
So that means more heavy winds.
How long ago was this?
This was at around 8Z today, so that's around, let's see, 4 a.m., so that's like 6 hours ago.
Oh, the
definitely
eye wall's
deteriorated.
closer than we thought.
Well, yeah, the eye wall is probably already impacting land. Satellites. I honestly think that the eye wall is probably, or almost, I mean, over. Part of it is over Cabos and Lucas. Speaking of which, here's the camera. You can see this tree shaking a lot. Right over here in the, you can see the waves. Very, very rough in this area. Yeah, the camera's
it's getting
shaking a lot.
worse.
And also, and you can see, like,
I don't think the eye wall's hitting this area yet, though.
Pretty soon, though, likely.
Yeah, it looks like it's ramping up really quick, so give or take, about first will be.
Let me pull up. I don't know where my
That's
RAM B went.
at least what I'm expecting.
Here it is. Oops. Alright. I noticed Tej looks very good. I just saw it on here.
Yeah, Tej is like ramping up so quickly. It's crazy. Be one. It could be one for the record books.
I don't think so on that. It's going to show the eye starting to develop right over here. And then in the last frame you can see these the cloud tops and stuff. I know that this Wendy's imagery, this one's inflated a lot, but I'm just going to try and see the eye temperature. Try to, at least, if I can. And it should be visible. Yep, it's just starting to turn night in the area. Pretty soon. Hello? Alright, now you're muted.
Your audio is just... Your audio not on. I don't know the actual live stream, but I know on Discord your audio was lagging quite a bit.
Okay. Why it's doing all this? It's typically not lag.
Today's
Can you
just a
check the
special
stream
You
day.
how
just
laggy
you
it
might
is?
have just slow internet.
No, I've done streams like this before and it's fine.
I guess today's just special.
Yeah, but oh look, see here comes the eye starting to pop out, but minus like 50 degrees Celsius. So I mean it is coming together slowly. Visible, can't really see it. But yeah, that's gonna be exploding in intensity pretty soon. No, I don't need lightning on this. Okay. But yeah, let me go back to the live camera. Lots of shaking. Tuna, can you check my stream? Make sure it's
On my end, oh wait, hold on. Yeah, on my end it's lagging.
oh god. Um
On the past two streams that I've been on were definitely not lagging at all. Just a little bit, but that's about it.
yeah. I noticed there's like lots of buffering and stuff on stream. You guys, if you're watching right now, tell me how laggy it is. Please.
Yeah.
I'll check. Hold on. I'll go on the stream. I'll go on it.
Right?
Let me see. Let's see just how bad this is. Oh, it's bad.
Yeah.
Oh, it's bad.
Oh
God.
It's
god.
literally 1 frames per second, dude.
Actually,
It's a frame per second.
oh god. Well, I'm gonna pull it up on my phone just to check
No.
it.
And it's bad, dude.
Um uh is the camera showing up from
Nope, it's just a
Let me
black.
check.
Oh, there we
oh
go.
now it is.
Yeah, the camera's showing up, but it's like
It's like,
it's literally a frame per
Jeez, yeah,
second.
I
yeah.
see it.
Oh wait, it's getting better. No, never mind. It's 1 frame. Oh, it can't decide whether to be like 24 frames per second or just 1.
Here, I'm gonna stop sharing my screen on Discord. See if that fixes it.
Oh, wait.
It shouldn't
Oopsie
be an immediate
daisies.
fix on. Let me look if it got any better. Nope, does not look like it's. I have so many drop
Goes from
frames right now.
Uh,
what is happening today? Well, looking. Never mind. It goes from it looking better to just. It goes like it gets better and then lag spike, better lag spike.
I
It's just.
might try and connect to the Ethernets. I'm gonna
this
see
is
if I
fun.
can. Yeah, sorry guys.
Sorry for the technical
On.
difficulties. Also, hi TJ, how you doing?
Wait, did someone join
Silence.
in?
No,
Okay, hold on.
no, I got a person to start watching. Their name is TJ, so I said hi.
Hold on,
Oh.
is it coming back? It just said. It's showing that it's better. Now. Yeah, it's showing it's better.
Oh, I'll check on the satellite
Never mind,
radar
it just got worse.
for
Nope, now it's
Tej.
better.
Oh,
Hold
it got worse. Oh god.
Oh.
Oopsie daisies.
on. Yeah,
Oh,
let's see, hold on.
I have the radar on Tej. Shall I share my screen?
No, it's not. It's
Okay.
still gonna be laggy.
Okay. Let me pull up the latest image of Tej. It is getting its act together. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I don't
Do
know
do
what's happening.
do.
Let me go back to just visible imagery here.
Oh, let me put it here real quick. Oh, oops, wrong thing. Hold on. There you go.
I just sent the wrong
Take a
thing.
look at that. Hold on. Try just showing that to the people.
Alright, here, I'll pull it up on.
That is
Oh,
that is the newest image of Tej about 10 minutes ago, and it is
Yeah.
eye is starting to come out.
okay.
Yeah.
And the stream literally just froze.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking like that, so it is very laggy.
Oh,
Um,
what's going on down there in Miami, Chase?
I don't know.
What's going
Look
on?
at this.
average Wi-Fi of a Miamian.
One.
Spectrum or something like that? If you have Spectrum, that would make sense.
Let's
Yeah.
see. What can I do here? Don't know how to fix this.
It's called starting a new stream.
I was just about to say you might have to start a new stream.
Well, if I
Yeah.
did that, then I mean, that's not going to fix that at all.
I mean, how? How about I start a stream on my channel and
Alright.
you guys watch?
Alright. But,
That'd be funny.
anyways, is it working now? Is it getting better?
I mean, you're not even sharing your screen, so I don't.
I know, but I
I'll
mean,
check.
like, if you look on my stream, or my, my actual YouTube
Okay.
stream.
So,
Um, it's somewhat better. It's like it'll give you like a second of like smooth footage, and then it'll be
Yeah.
frozen for 3 seconds.
that's what it was doing
That
before.
repeated. That's
Alright.
that's about it. So
I'm wondering if
pretty
it's one of the
fun.
tabs I have open. Let me look. Just looking at the memory usage.
I mean, you do have a lot of tabs open, so
Yeah.
probably close out the ones that are not really that important right now.
I don't know if that's going to fix anything.
I'm saying that means there will be less data to be taken by those tabs, so there
Yeah.
will be more data for stream.
That is true.
I mean, it's basically just like turning your computer off and then back on again. It's kind of common sense.
Yeah, still frames are
Exactly.
very, very laggy right now.
I'm very smart.
Losing lots of. I don't know if it fixed itself. Let me see. We back? Nope. Right. I don't know what's causing this. I'm gonna try and do a internet speed test. Alright, I'm gonna do a speed test real quick. I know I'm doing this while I'm streaming, so it's not gonna be that accurate because it's taking my stream stuff away. Alright, let me look at my upload speed. Ooh, my upload speed is not good right now.
Wow.
Oh wait, no, now it's coming back. Okay.
Yay, redemption time!
Like 6 megabytes per second. Not good right now,
Oh,
but
never mind. Never mind. Wow. I have like 2 gigs per second right now.
Okay.